Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm gonna do a couple videos in memory of a friend of mine that recently passed away. If you knew this guy, you would know that he deserves much more than this. He was one of my best friends early on. We played in our first bands together. We actually performed in our first gigs together. And we used to spend a lot of time together. And his mom is kind of my second mom for a while during some rough teenage years. But the recipes I'm gonna do aren't anything crazy, but some of you might not have tried them before. And the first time I ate these, I was at his house. It's a embedded memory of the first experiences with these foods. I hope you stay around till the end. I'm gonna have a couple pictures of him and I throughout the years. We fell apart for a couple years, but whenever we saw each other, it was still mutual respect and love. Here recently, things had become pretty difficult for him. I tried to get over to see him one time. That didn't work out. We had been in touch in the last month of his life. He knew it was coming. We all knew it was coming. And all I can say, the guy made an impact on a lot of people's lives. It's actually amazing how many people he touched in his life. This first video, I remember waking up, staying the night at his house, and his mom was making us breakfast. So I'm gonna do some chorizo, eggs, and beans the proper way. I say the proper way. What they taught me was how to properly eat chorizo and eggs and beans. Not wrapped in a burrito. Let's do some chorizo and eggs. There you go, proper chorizo and eggs. Direct flame heated tortillas. Pull your tortillas off in chunks and pieces. Get yourself a healthy bite of the beans and the chorizo and eggs inside that little piece, and eat it with your hands. Just like RB taught me. And it's so good. You guys have a great day. Check out some pictures of RB and I. RB, thank you for all the crazy memories, my friend. You're gonna be missed. Love you, bro.